What's going on down here? This is something going on. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, yeah. The actor prepares. Rub my leg. I get better. Ah, thanks, baby.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Anything else?
And then finally, he's going to smack you down. What? Are going to go down. Just like that, okay? Okay, we'll do that. So let me bring Paul Ray in so he understands that.
And then this is where he does all his trash talk.
Yeah.
Get the chain on. Protest it. Man. I'm not going to throw things. I'm going to enjoy it. Hear me?
And act.
Big ass. Go! Move! Put that horse down.
Push him, make him go.
Go! Move! Get the chain, Ollie.
I think we got to drag and push him. I just think
All right, let's go.
Crawl this time.
Here you go. Like that. How you like that? You're about to die, you cocksucker. You hear me? Fucking my town, boy. Think you gonna do this shit forever? Go! Let's go, boy. Come on, something's waiting for you. We gonna chew your ass up, son. Wait for the chain to get the chain tight. There you go. Here we go. What? What? Talk to me! Huh? Still rolling, guys, still rolling. Rolling. Let's go, you cocksucker. You about to die, son. We're gonna chew your ass up like a fat fucking cow. You hear me? You motherfucker. Let's go, boy.
Yeah, just rear back and
All right, go.
here, spin.
Back to his head, boom.
Rear back cross.
And then I rear back again. Whoa.
Across or this way?
No, I'm still in Paul.
Cross. You were
Slide down like
Yes.
So let's go from the top.
Okay.
Come in. Bang. Spin.
Spin.
Back to the head.
There you go.
Bam.
Now
and I
rear
rear
back
back
cross.
again. Boom. Throws it down. Sweep. Drop.
Good.
And then come back here.
Yeah.
Wham.
Push down.
Knock it down. Okay. And then I sweep over and grab the hook. Wham. Pull your arm. And then I think I got you for a second.
Right.
And then and I sweep
Right
again.
across.
Let's do the sweep sweep. You ready?
Okay.
You get it cranked?
I'm cranked.
All right.
Are you gonna go this way?
Sweep. Sweep.
Okay.
And then sweep
There you go.
down to here. Let's go over the top. I gotta blow out this. I'm gonna rip her fucking head. John, what was the line you wanted? Bitch. The fuck's wrong with you, huh? Hey, guys! Move on! Shut up!
Yeah.